Hello, morning everybody. Welcome to another video. So where am I this morning on this sunny March day? Well, I'm in Totnes. It's a Saturday morning. A few runners about, seems to be quite common in my videos, and that's because they've just had a park run. Just walking past the Curator coffee shop, well worth a visit. And in front of us the Royal 7 Stars Hotel. But where are we going to go? We're going to walk straight up the main high street, Fore Street as it's called. It's first thing on a Saturday morning. So it's not that busy yet, it has to be said. Lovely clear blue skies up there. So hopefully spring has sprung. Good opportunity to ask you. Oh, before I do that, look at the pasties in there. Very nice, very nice. Yes, a good opportunity to ask. If you haven't already, if you can subscribe to the channel. Costs you nothing but helps me enormously. Oh, the smell from those pasties was amazing. I do like a nice pasty, a nice Devon pasty. Can't go wrong with that. Quite a vibrant town, Totnes. I think on a Friday they do their market. So if you're in the summer or here on holiday, it's always worth coming in to check it out. Check out the cakes and the pasties. We should rename this maybe a cake and pasty tour. But anyway, let's carry on up the high street. There's a lovely mix of eclectic shops and places to go, so it's definitely worth a visit. Co-working and art in the town hall though. Sweets and more pasties. Oh, look at those. Which cake do you fancy? Let's carry on up. It's great to see a couple of butchers that we've walked past. As we head on up, this is the picture that I'm sure most people will have seen. The clock tower. And look at that. Lovely old lane. Really, it's a nice place, seemingly unaffected by, or not as affected, shall we say, as other places, by modern Britain. Do you think that guy's running back from the park run? Nice to see a travel agent. Don't see many of them around these days. So it is a steep hill up Totnes, Fore Street or High Street. So do bear that in mind if you're walking or push chairs, all the like. But as I say, definitely worthwhile coming to visit. Lots of really interesting shops. And things to see. Look at this here. Zappa's, lovely old building. Wow. There's the village, the town church, St Mary's, Totnes. Nice little craft there. Some art, if art's your thing. Real traditional bookshop. Oh, and I might be wrong, but I think that's the first charity shop I've seen. Oh, here you go. Here's where the market is. I think it's a food market on a Friday, but let's have a wander around this one. Setting up. Heroes. Plants. We're getting ready for spring, of course. Oh, look at all this.
Okay.
Let's carry on round and we go visit Totnes. Welcome to the market square. Made in Totnes. So there you go. Maybe you've been to Totnes. What did you think of it? The last time I was here, there was a gentleman with an owl on his arm. That's the kind of place it is. But as I say, definitely worthwhile coming to. A lovely, eclectic place. A real wide variety of shops, which is nice. Really nice, in fact. Let's just go up round the corner.
If you've got me what you want, Mum, can take it back.
And if art's your thing, look at this. So there you go, ladies and gents. Thank you for watching. If you've been to Totnes, what did you think of it when you came in the summer? It's certainly a busy little place. So if you can drop me a like on this video, it'd be much appreciated. And as I say, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe to the channel, it costs you nothing and helps me enormously. Thank you very much. Until the next one, bye bye.